So today we're switching this ignition switch in a 2006 Trailblazer SS. Let's do it. First, just disconnect the battery. We're gonna pull this guy out. Next, there's a screw there and a screw there. Mine already gone, but once you pop them out, next thing to do is to start popping this apart. There we go. You just pop her down. Don't worry about the pedals, it's on a little wire hooked on in there. Once you get that out of the way, we'll work on the other side here. So there's a little tab there, and a little tab there, and that's it. It should come right out. So tab there, wiring harness in the back. Pop it out and undo them. I was in the way the whole time. I only pushed the two clips and pulled it straight down. There we go. Just popped her out. So this one, if you look at it, it's like just about to go, the little gap here is just about to go down like that. And that's exactly the way this one should be when you put it back in. Just, there's the gap. Gap should be just like that, I guess. That's how the other one was when I just took it out. So, let's pop that back in. And you just slide it back up in there until she clicks. Boom, that's it. Get the key and cycle it and see if the ignition clicks properly, and then battery back on, make sure it works.